Now this is the question regarding arranging the protected areas. Okay, so which one of the following is the correct order of tiger reserves situated from north to south? And their option is, they are given the Rajaji, Panna, Parambiculam and Dandeli Anchi. So these are the four protected areas for tiger reserve they have mentioned. Now we need to know the location of these four protected areas or these four tiger reserves. Now regarding Rajaji, we know that Rajaji, it is a tiger reserve, important tiger reserve in Uttarakhand. And Uttarakhand is also having one of the important tiger reserve or first tiger reserve in India, and that is Jim Corbett National Park, right? So this Rajaji is an important tiger reserve in Uttarakhand. Then coming to Panna, Panna is an important tiger reserve in Madhya Pradesh. So we know about Panna Biosphere Reserve, right? So we are having 18 Biosphere Reserve, out of that we are having Panna Biosphere Reserve. So this Panna Biosphere Reserve is having a tiger reserve, and that is known as Panna Tiger Reserve. And through that a river was flowing, and that is Ken River. Okay. So regarding this Ken Betwa river interlinking, this Panna was in news, right? So Panna Tiger Reserve, it is in Madhya Pradesh. Now Dandeli Anchi is a tiger reserve in Karnataka. Dandeli Anchi is also having another name known as Kali Tiger Reserve because there is a Kali Nadi. Kali river is there. Okay, a Kali river or a Kali Nadi is flowing through this Dandeli Anchi Tiger Reserve. That's why it is also having the name Kali Tiger Reserve. So it's a tiger reserve in Karnataka. So it's a tiger reserve in Uttara Karnataka. Then coming to Parambiculam, Parambiculam is a tiger reserve in Kerala. Okay, so Parambiculam is an important tiger reserve in Kerala. Now these are the locations of these tiger reserves. You can see the Rajaji National Park or Rajaji Tiger Reserve in Uttarakhand, Panna Tiger Reserve in the northern part of Madhya Pradesh, where the Ken River will be flowing like this, and Ken, you know that Ken is a tributary of Yamuna, right? Then Dandeli Anchi is here in Uttara region, Uttara Kannada region. We are having Dandeli Anchi or Kali Tiger Reserve in Karnataka. Then Parambiculam, it is in Kerala, in Western Ghat region, right? So these are the location. Now from north to south, you can see Rajaji, Panna, Dandeli Anchi and Parambiculam. Okay, so coming to the question, here the answer will be D. Rajaji in Uttarakhand, Panna in Madhya Pradesh, Dandeli Anchi in Karnataka and Parambiculam in Kerala. So our answer will be D.